Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to Sisters Love channel. Here I upload my daughter's reading and my learning to code journey. Today we'll use pen in Scratch and what you can build in Scratch by using pen building blocks. So let me show you some demo before I get started. If you like my tutorial, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. When the green flag is clicked, I'll show you how you can build a house like this. And another tutorial we'll do here. When the green flag is clicked, you can do anything if you want to, like how you can write down a, even your own shape like this, or even a word if you want to write down like hello. So without further ado, let's get started. Two way you can do, just simply go scratch.mit.edu. Will open a new project. Here is the create. Go to the menu bar. Here you can find the create. If you are sign in with your email address, you can save on cloud the Scratch server, or you can do create the project online and then save to your computer or here in online. And I'll suggest you very often whatever you'll do, just save. Don't forget to save your project, otherwise you will lose it. And another is the offline editor. I'm using the Scratch 3.22.0, the latest version. Here you can simply file new. You can load from your computer or save to your computer. Either way is fine. So before get started, I'll show you how you can get the pen editor. Okay, and in the description I will share my this true project I just showed you. So here is a new project. There is the plus, here is add extension. So in the building blocks palette, here is no pen. So for the latest version, to get the pen you have to go to the extension and click the pen, and you will see all the building blocks that you can use in the pen section. So erase all means it will erase anything you draw. Stamp, it's like when that any sprites will move, they will keep a copy of her or a copy of the sprites itself. So like let me show you how the stamp works. Like I want to move the sprites 10 steps, then make a stamp of it. So if I click it, now see if I move the cat, I can find the cat here. It is not like the copy of the cats, it's that it's like a stamp, the cat. So again if I click here, the cat moves, and when I take the caps out, we can get the clone of the cat like this way. And another is the pen section, will click pen down. Pen down is like putting the pen down on a piece of paper. After you use this, your sprite leaves a line whatever it goes. So like move 10 steps. If I use this, pen down and moves 10 steps. Now let's see what done. See, it leaves a line. If I use the step more 200 steps, see it makes the line. The angle, you can choose the coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. We have to have the keep clear knowledge that how the x coordinate and y coordinate works, because when you draw something you have to keep the sprites steps. So we'll learn more by slowly. So that is the pen down works. And pen up. Pen up means this block stops your sprite from drawing as it moves. So like if I take the sprites here, now if I use this pen down, it will draw, right? But if I use, like, there is this sprites here. If I use pen up now, then if I use any moves 10 steps, it will move the sprites, but it will not draw anything. Oh, what happened? Okay, let's see. Now I want this. Um, hmm, it's not working. See, now it's working. Let's see, 100 steps. 100 steps. If I use pen up, the sprites move, but it didn't draw anything. Means it will not work. So initially when we'll do anything, first we'll set our pen up, then we'll set our pen down, so that the drawing will not be mess. Here then is the set pen color. Set pen color to this one. You can change any color here. If you want to black color, dark black, what you have to do, you have to use the lowest of the brightness. And if you want to white color, you have to use the highest number of the brightness, and the saturation will be the 0. So that we can get the white color. And here the color palette, you can choose any color, and the way you want, you can use the saturation and brightness. So here the color number is total 0 to 200. So if we use like 350, then the sprites will choose the 150, because 200 plus 150 is 350. So that's keep in mind. You will do little math here and there, that will help us counting, and brain works as well. Okay, so this is the how you can set the color. Okay, brightness up, so that we can get different color. Okay, here saturation actually show you how dark color you can get. So the more saturation you use, the color will be more clear. So you can use any color from here, color palette. Then here is the another set. You can set any number, then you can increase the color by 10. Like choose the pen down here, move 10 steps. If I click this one, it will, what we'll do, we need to do another move, because if you use the control section, that will be easy. Okay, go for the control section. I want to set the pen down, move 10 steps, and I will repeat this by 10 times. So let me erase all. Set the center, the top left. Whenever you move your sprite, you can check the x coordinate and y coordinate position. That will help you. Even next, when we use the backdrop xy grid, then you learn little bit. Okay, now click here. We cannot see the color change. So the another section we have here, like set the pen size. So you can set the pen size, thickness. 5 will be the low. From the 5 to upper, you can get the more thick. The thin line, it was the pen size was 1. So let me erase all and do another, change color and move 10 steps. So let's see that 10, I want to move to steps by steps 10. Set pen size 5, set color to 50, and change the color by 50. Okay, now if I click here, repeat, see, it's moving 10 steps, and it's change the color and choose the color itself. You can play around with that. So in the pen section, what else we need to discuss? I think we discussed everything. Now let's build a house. How we can do this? So to make this, to build a house, what we want, I want the backdrops grid. In the search button, if you type XY, you can get the grid wise. I'll choose this one. So erase all. Let makes the sprite's center position. X coordinate and Y coordinate 0 will be the center. Now several different way we can build a house. So in the control sections, we don't need control now, we'll do the basic move. We'll use the move. So first I want the cat will be start from here, the negative 100 y-axis and x-axis negative 100, but we have to set up the pen first before you start. Okay, we did the green flag is click, then go to the pen. First we need to do the erase also, unnecessary lining could be erased. Then we want pen up. Okay, so when we'll make initially the pen up, so that the if we accidentally moves the motion, if it the cat will draw a line. So initially we'll set up as the pen up. Now we want the cat go to x coordinate minus 100 and y coordinate is also minus 100. Now let's see, when you click it, the cat comes in. Now how we can move the cat up? We want to calculate first. I said that now I want to set the pen down, because now when we set the pen down, the cat will start drawing. So in the pen section we'll go first, we'll set the color. Okay, first we use the pen down, then we'll use the set the color, any color whatever you want. So let's use the purple. I want little dark, so we'll change the saturation. So I'm good with the brightness. So I'll set the pen. Now I want the not the thin, I want little bit thick, so I'll set my pen size to 5. Okay, so pen size to 5. Now I want to draw the square. So for that we need to use the move. Two way we can do that. We can use the go to X 4 times. Just right click and you can get the duplicate. Or another way we can do, we need to have so many these. So let me copy some. Either we can set go to X and Y, or we can do change by X and Y. Okay, both way. Let me copy these also. We need several of them. 4 will be good. So two way I will show you. So here now sprite's position is negative 100 to x coordinate negative 100 and y coordinate negative 100. Now I want to set the sprite is here. So this position is positive, y is 100 and x is negative 100. So here I will change the y position. Then I want, then let's click it so that you will get clear. Let's click, see the sprites draw a line from here. Now I want to move a draw line from here, from there to here. So this position the x coordinate will be both x and y positive 100. So I will oh, go there. Then I'll set this one and I'll use x positive and y positive. So now I'll click it, it's move that position. Now I want you to cat move down. So how we can do that? Simply this one, like that position is like x is positive 100 and y coordinate is negative, I guess. Yeah, x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative 100. Now we'll click the cursor is down. Now we'll go back to that position. So here we'll use same x y negative. So we build this square. Now I want the mouse go to that position, then we'll do the triangle. So again the cat will go to negative 100 and y coordinate is positive here. So then I want to set x coordinate will be 0, right, in this position, and y coordinate, since we know that grid is positive 180 to negative, so what I'll use x coordinate to 0 and y coordinate 150. So let's see now she makes the sprite makes a diagonal line. Now we need another diagonal line. So there is the position will be x y 100 and y 100 as well. So x 100 and y 100. Click. See, now we build a house. Another way you can see that we need this one. So if you want to change it by 100, okay, let me erase all and make the position x sprites here, negative 100 and y1 negative 100 x coordinate and y coordinate both are negative 100. Now what I want change the y by 200. See, 100 plus 100 200. So first I want to change the y by 200. Sorry, 200 it will change. Then I want change. Let's see what the sprites will do, because sprites is here and I want to draw a line up. So I want to change positive 100 because y coordinate go up is positive. So see, it's draw. Now I want x coordinate go to positive 200. Okay, so if the spreads will go to the right, so right is the positive x 100. So I want to make this 100 plus 100 200. So I'll use the change x by 200. Now let's see what, see, it's doing the same, the go to position or change x and y position. Now what we need to do, the vertical line is the y coordinate, right? So I want to get down the negative way of a negative y 200 coordinate, because 100 plus 100 200, but it will go down the negative, the vertical line negative y here. So I need to do negative 200 steps by y, then click, it's down. Now I want horizontally negative x coordinate and 200, 100 plus 100 definitely is 200. So we'll do negative 200. See, the square is done. Now the triangle part, definitely we have to set here, then go down there and down. So we'll use this one. So it will be little easy. Go x to y 100. We don't need 5, so 0 to 150, and then let's see, one by one we'll check it. So it's let's clear all again. I didn't set the position, but I did it. I set the sprite go to x100. Let's delete it. Use the erase all. Now up to there I will check. Now it's negative 100. Okay, now I have to change this one. So this one not negative 100. It is go to x. Y coordinate will be positive here. So here now it's good. Now we need to copy this. Go to here, x0 and y 100. Then we need x 100 and y 100 here. So yes, that's the way we can build a house. So we'll save it, save to your computer, because I'm doing offline, so definitely I have to. So draw a house, I have to save in my local computer. Just name it and save it. The which folder you want to save it, you can do. So another project we'll do, that is pen drawing. You can control your mouse the way you want to. So let's start. Do the new, click OK, and here we want the sprite will move down when the pen will down, else the pen will up, and we want to do that forever block. So go to the controls event section. When the green flag is click, I want the mouse go forever. Okay, first we have to set the pen. So erase all, we'll set it, go forever. Then we need the condition. I want when the pen do the forever, go to the position, the position will move mouse pointer. It will move mouse pointer, but it will draw when the mouse will down, and when the mouse will up, it will not draw. So we need to set the condition, if else condition here we'll use. Now I want when mouse down, the pen will down, otherwise pen will up. So here is the mouse down. In the sensing section, we get the trapezoid shape or hexagonal shape. The mouse down. When the mouse down, I want pen down. And mouse otherwise, the pen will be up. Here two mistake I did initially. So I did first. You can just experiment how you can do. So I set the erase all and pen off. Then I did the condition. Here go mouse pointer, if mouse down, do the pen down, and then what I did is mistake first. When the click, it's like if I want to stop, it won't stop. So like that's the mess up I did. Then I changed the condition. So if else condition, then that works. So go mouse pointer forever. Then in the sensing block, I get the mouse down, then the pen is pen down, otherwise pen up. Now this, let me save it. Save to your computer. It's pen drawing. I had already, so I want to replace it. Okay, now when I click the green flag, it will erase first. Now let me full screen or small screen, it will be work. Now I want to draw. It cannot show it, so let me show the full screen so that it you can see clearly. So now like I'm not touching the mouse, I just you know moving my mouse. So now is pen up. So when I do the pen down, when I click the mouse and start drawing, I'm clicking the I'm holding my left click of mouse, and I when I leave the mouse, it is not drawing anything. So that means mouse up. Again, when I click the mouse, then I leave it, it is not drawing anything. So again here, so you can, your children or you can practice the mouse drawing like this. You can draw anything. If you are good at drawing, you can maybe draw your own sprites by using this, like Mickey Mouse. This is very powerful thing you can do. So then you can choose this your drawing as a sprite. So later on we'll learn more. So I hope you you learn so many things in this tutorial and you will like. I hope you will like it, and if you like it, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.